Ronnie going very well. So this is one of the best guy of the Vianor. He worked like hell. People look at him.
Yes.
Exactly like this. Now he takes the winter tire. Put on the car. Find the hole for the screw. And now work. Just tighten with the machine. Exactly like this. Just drrr.
No problem.
No problema, amigo. This is the best video of the Vianor. Actor is Ronnie Wilson. Great job, great job.
Thank you, thank you.
We can share it, that video on Facebook.
I don't think it's allowed.
Now it's,
Ikke så hardt, mann.
we have.
Det er litt hardt.
Men det er ikke låsebolt jeg holder på med nå.
Jeg vet det. Du skal bare ta... Rutt.
Now it's Lossabor, is another guy.
Another guy?
He is very important. Tight that Lossabor very
Yeah.
slowly and just little bit. Yeah, like this.
Like this.
Exactly, great job. Now is almost everything done. Just put the car down.
And deliver it to the customer.
Yeah, deliver it to the customer.
Du ser på hjula. Ja. Så good. Han skulle ha med seg dekkassett.
Now he put back the Lossabor here on the back on the car. It's very important. Never forget that, because when customers get the puncture, don't find
If you don't have it, you have a problem.
And now summer tires we put on the back and after in the car.
And that was...
So Charlie do what he do and don't do what I do.
Finish.
So thank you for watching and we wish you have a nice day.
Wish you Merry Christmas.